Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making Haloed Mandala String Art. We have a 10.5 by 10.5 inch pine board. Taking a soft wood helps in putting nails easily. We have 3 circles of 21 nails each. The smallest circle is of 6 inch diameter, the middle is 8 inches and the outermost circle is 10 inches in diameter. The nails will be put 17.1 degrees apart in each circle. We start with the innermost circle. For this pattern, we are using a silk thread. We will start from nail 1, which we will call our anchor because the thread will come back to it every time it is wrapped around another nail. We will take our thread from the anchor to nail 2 and bring it back to the anchor and take it to nail 3, bringing it back to the anchor again, and so on and so forth. Once we are done with the entire circle one time, we will now make nail 2 as our anchor and repeat the pattern. We will continue doing this for all 21 nails, making each one an anchor one by one. For our second and third circle, we are using yarn of 2 different colors. We are following a simple pattern for these 2 circles. We will take our thread from nail 1 to the 5th nail, bring it to the 2nd nail, taking it to the 6th nail, and so on and so forth. once we go around the circle one time, we will make another similar pattern by taking thread from nail 1 to nail 4 to nail 2 to nail 5 and so on and so forth. Both the outer circles are following the same patterns with two different colors. Thank you for watching this video and helping me by subscribing to my channel. Till next time, have a good day and goodbye.